Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today's review is a bit different from what we usually cover, but I'm excited to dive into this product that brings functionality and design together in the world of baby care. The Whitney Brothers Birch Laminate Curved Storage. Now you might be wondering, what does a storage unit have to do with beauty? Well, let's find out together. Because this product's sleek design and thoughtful construction make it an intriguing addition to any nursery or playroom. This storage unit is made from durable birch laminate with a soft, curved design that blends effortlessly into any space. It's crafted in the United States, a nice touch if you're looking for something locally made with attention to quality. It comes in a single package with dimensions of 104.648 centimeters in length, 42.925 centimeters in width, and 62.992 centimeters in height. So it's a substantial piece designed to hold quite a bit while remaining practical. Now, if you're like me, you probably appreciate when a product not only looks good, but also functions well in the real world. This storage unit is perfect for organizing baby essentials like toys, clothes, or even books. The curved edges are designed to be safer for kids, and the laminate surface makes it easy to wipe clean. Definitely a bonus when dealing with little ones. In terms of use, I found that the Whitney Brothers curved storage was easy to incorporate into our routine. Setting it up didn't require a ton of effort, and once it was in place, it immediately added a sense of order to the room. The design is intuitive, and it holds a lot of items without feeling bulky or overwhelming in the space. Whether you're organizing diapers, blankets, or those little toys that always seem to get lost, this piece keeps everything neat and easily accessible. So, let's talk pros and cons. One of the biggest strengths of this storage unit is its durability. The birch laminate is solid and feels like it will last a long time, even through the rough and tumble of a busy nursery. The curved edges are also a huge plus for safety, and the smooth surface makes cleaning a breeze, which is key when you're dealing with messy kids. On the flip side, while it's a sturdy piece, it is a bit larger than some other storage units, so you'll need to make sure you have the space for it. It's not the most compact option out there, but for those who need storage with some serious capacity, this shouldn't be an issue. Now, let's talk value for money. The price point reflects its solid construction and practical design. So if you're looking for something that will stand the test of time and also look good in your space, it could be well worth the investment. For those on a tighter budget though, you might find cheaper alternatives that offer similar functionality but without the premium design or materials. When compared to other baby storage options, this one stands out for its blend of aesthetic appeal and safety features. While other units might focus more on the basic function of storage, the Whitney Brothers unit goes the extra mile by offering a sleek design with child-friendly curves, which isn't always easy to find in this category. As far as build quality goes, I was impressed with the construction. The birch laminate feels sturdy and well put together, and I have no doubt it will hold up over time. The finish is smooth, with no rough edges, and the assembly process was straightforward. It's clear that this piece was designed with both parents and children in mind. If I had to suggest an alternative, there are a few options out there that offer similar storage capabilities at a lower price point. However, if you're looking for a piece that combines both functionality and style, this one's definitely hard to beat. You'd be investing in a product that not only meets your needs, but also enhances your space with its thoughtful design. In summary, the Whitney Brothers Birch Laminate Curved Storage is a standout piece for anyone looking to elevate their nursery or playroom. It's safe, durable, and practical, with a design that will last through the years. While it's not the most budget-friendly option, it's certainly an investment worth considering for those who value quality and style in their baby products. If this review has been helpful to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new review here at Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep creating honest, in-depth content like this. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've used the Whitney Brothers Birch Laminate Curved Storage, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out. Until next time.